cleaning, organizing. Say hi. Welcome back to another vlog. I promised I would be uploading one a week. I missed last week, but I promise I won't ever miss another week again. That is one of my main goals for 2021. And I thought I would introduce myself. Welcome. If this is your first time watching my vlog, I'm Stephanie and I'm the creator of SPV Living. I'm a full-time blogger. I'm also a mom of one little girl named Penelope, and we have another one on the way. I'm about 17 weeks. I will post or link the video of our announcement somewhere up here, so you guys can go back and watch that. Penelope's birthday is in a few days. She will be 3 on the 18th, and we decided we're gonna potty train. This is actually day 2 of our potty training. She is super strong-willed, super independent. We actually thought she would be potty trained early. She was already showing signs. She could sit on the potty, go on the potty at like 15 months, which is like insane to me thinking back, except she like reverted back for some reason. She really liked being in diapers and pull-ups. Say hi. Say hi. You wanna talk? No? Do you want to go sit on mommy's chair? Okay. Let's sit on mommy's chair. So with P, she is very independent. Our issue wasn't if she could go or not go. She can go number 2 on the potty, no problem. We're finding that she doesn't want to stop playing and use the potty, so that's how accidents start happening. Another thing that we did differently than the first time we attempted a potty train, we just let her be naked. We didn't want undies or anything, just because I found that she was having a hard time taking them off. She would try to go in a potty, but yeah, she just couldn't make it because she couldn't pull off her undies herself. So yeah, so that's what we're working on right now. We do have a few pull-ups for bedtime and nighttime because she does come into our room in the middle of the night, and I just don't want accidents to happen in our bed. That's another thing, another, you know, problem to solve for another day. But I really wanted her to be potty trained before she turned 3. I don't know if that's gonna happen. To be honest, there's not really a huge rush. You know, it will happen when it happens. And I know a lot of parents put that like pressure on themselves to have their child potty trained. And honestly, it's not really that big of a rush. I always thought I would only have one child in diapers at a time, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try.
Done eating lunch. I need to order some new makeup. I've been like literally mixing together all the makeup that I had and like putting it all into one. So before I was a full-time blogger, I ran my own makeup studio. So I'm a professional makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for like 8 to like 10 years. And I still have like the odd bridal client here and there. All that to say, I know makeup and I've loved makeup for a very long time, which means I usually have a lot of makeup. In the past few months, actually in the past like year, since like this whole lockdown started, I just stopped wearing as much makeup. My favorite part of buying new makeup was actually going to Sephora and testing out all the products. That way I knew what I was getting. I just find it such a huge hassle when you're ordering stuff and then you have to return stuff, and it's just I don't know, I just don't enjoy doing that, so I don't test out as much as I normally would. So anyway, I am watching a YouTube video. I'm watching, who am I watching right now? Sammy Robinson and Lisa Eldridge, just to see what makeup they're using lately, like everyday glowy skin kind of makeup. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I didn't really like that. NARS, I feel like is literally like wearing a mask now. And then I do have like Maybelline. I try to, you know, use as much drugstore makeup as possible just to cut back on costs, but I will not go for something if it's less quality. Like I'd rather pay for quality. So yeah, anyway. So now I'm shopping. I actually do have a Sephora gift card. My mom got it for us for Christmas, me and my sister, and I still haven't used it. So that is exactly what I am going to treat myself to today. So me and Pete are now playing. What are we doing?
Happy practice today.
We are going to go to the moon. She just woke up from a nap. Was it a good nap?
Okay.
Was it a good nap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And now we're learning about going to the moon. This is her plans, right, P? Okay, you show me, and then I'm gonna just show my friend something really quick.
Okay.
So we are potty training. I'm not an expert. This is just like the start, like I said, but I thought I would show you guys like a few things that have helped us so far. So to prevent accidents, what I've done is set up a potty in her room. I even have her Potty Patrol book. She literally sits in there and reads the Potty Patrol book, which I think is super cute. But it's super easy. She just sits in here and I just, you know, go clean it after, and that's fine. And then I've just been putting like her wipes and stuff at the top in this like little basket on top of her shelf. That way it's easy for me to grab, and it's, yeah, it just makes things go a lot faster. And then this is the remainder of the diapers. We ended up going out and grabbing some more just for like nighttime and napping. So we shall see how this goes. Another really simple idea for using the potty or teaching your child how to use the potty. This one is just from Walmart, and it just sits over the seat. You know, wipe it clean every day, but I like that it has like this hook so she can like easily just grab it and, you know, go on her own. That's what she likes to do. Like, she's so independent, and I would highly recommend grabbing these. Good morning. It is the next day, and I'm cleaning, organizing, and Penelope's making me play princess, right? Or royal princess with her, so that's this. But I made this. Are you okay? Oh, careful, get off of it. Like this, there you go.
No, I don't.
It's going to be Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna decorate. Okay guys, are you ready to see the final results of our organizing and cleaning up a toddler's room? So As you've seen, this was literally a disaster. I had no idea what she had, what she didn't have, and I knew we needed to sort everything out. So what I did in her closet, I organized it by puzzles, blocks. I got the little labels and stuff. These are just like baskets that I've already had, or containers, I mean. So she has her kinetic sand. She has her Play-Doh up here. We have like family games and stuff like that that we can all play. I stashed a few things back there. She has her little learning laptop. And then we have her princess dresses and all her like other dresses and stuff she wears like regularly. So I have them out. And the things that she needs in the summer, I kind of put in the back so I can kind of switch them out and rotate them when she needs them. And then down here, I have her crayons, markers, that kind of thing that can be like easily accessible for her. We have like these games, and then I have like different kinds of like coloring boards and stuff and chalkboards. And then over here, sorry, I'm out of breath. I feel like the second trimester was really hitting me hard, and I'm like out of breath constantly. So here we have learning activities. I've just put in just a wide range of things that we got from like different boxes, like the Loverly. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link to these amazing boxes below. I love them. I shared them on my Instagram a few times, and honestly, I'm obsessed. So, and then underneath that one, we have craft supplies, we have kitchen stuff, and then down here we have the school books. This is the one I told her to wait for me to do any of this kind of stuff. So we usually take them out and we do one activity every single day. That way she's learning like ABCs or her numbers or whatever. And I find that that's a really good thing to group them all together so I can easily find them. And then we have her coloring books, papers, and then the larger coloring books and like the paper, the rolls of paper there. I hung up her responsibility chart here and a whole bunch of different stuff. She's got a chalkboard. We switched out her stuffed animals. We're gonna like rotate them, so I just keep them in this kind of box. And then I'm rotating out this toy bin, and I used to have all her pull-ups and stuff sitting on top, but I decided to just put them in here so I can just easily get them when I need to. But then we have her kitchen set. So you saw like her kitchen stuff in there. She can open the door herself and get them and play with what she needs. That way we can easily just like put them back, and it's a really easy way to clean up. Anyway, this is her little bedroom tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm still looking for a rug and that kind of stuff here. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching. So I'm just editing today's video, and we're about to go to bed. It's 8 o'clock. I can hear P right now, but she just woke up from her nap. We put her in pull-ups, and she napped for a couple hours, woke up completely dry, and I could tell she like needed to go to the bathroom because she was like dancing around. And then we went into her room where she is right now, pulled down her pull-up, and went to the potty. So that was her going number 1. So she went pee. I'm so proud of her, but I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. I'll see if I'll pick it up tomorrow. We'll see about that, but good night.